So today I'm editing down this amazing, cute little penguin rock that I did originally 18 minutes long, today about 3. Start by placing a white peanut shape on your rock. Now this backdrop is really fun to do. It's completely optional, obviously, like everything else, but I'm just dabbing with my 5M, which are the medium tip paint pens, light blue, dark blue, and white, and then with a slightly damp brush, I'm just kind of dabbing all around. I did let them set just a little bit so you can see the little circles. It gives this really fun, snowy, wintry look to the design. Now, along the bottom, I am sweeping back and forth with my brush. I do 2 coats of this, and then I am going to add a nice white crisp line so that our penguin has a place to stand and it kind of separates the ground from the sky. Now it's time to add our lining to our penguin. Start by giving yourself a vertical line right down the center of the head. Now we're going to create a curve that's going to go around each eye. Try to mirror them as much as possible to the outside edge, and then connect them in the center with a small little U shape. Put your eyes in there as well. And then you're going to just take your black and just define the outer edge of the body. Don't worry about the arms for now. And in this point in time, you can really play around with how plump your penguin is going to be. So depending on how big you want him to be is how big you make this black outline. As you're filling it in, you can really make sure that your white is fairly even. Then come back and add on a couple of arms. Super simple. Next, we are going to add on a beak right at the tip where the black dips down, and then a couple feet at the bottom. For this penguin, we added on a cute little Santa hat. Now you can do this as like a sleeping cap, or you can leave it off completely. It's totally up to you. It kind of depends on what season you're creating your penguin in. So start by placing your flopped over hat. We're also going to come in and add a couple little cheeks here while we're at it. Now to make the flop over, you're going to create a Y shape along the left side of your penguin's head. That helps get that flopped over look to it. Then finish lining the rest of it out. This is a good time that you could go in and decorate your hat however you want. Again, like I said, we're doing a Santa style, so I'm using a dabbing motion with my white to create that nice fluffy edge to his hat, and then I'm putting a fluffy ball at the end of his cap. You can come back through and line all of that as well. His hat wasn't quite bright enough for my liking, so I went back and added a second coat to that and relined it when everything was said and done. But they're so fast and easy to make, and they're super cute to do for winter or for Christmas. So I'll link to both of those playlists here, and we'll be back soon with another easy rock painting tutorial for you. Bye-bye.